Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious, most talked about, and most trending vehicles on YouTube in 2026, the Mercedes-Maybach Limousine. A vehicle that's redefining what true luxury means in the automotive world, and from the second it pulls up in a reveal clip or drives into view in a scenic test drive, people can't help but hit play, because this isn't just a car, it's the ultimate mobile sanctuary, a blend of supreme craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, serene comfort, and majestic presence that commands attention, whether you're parked in front of a five-star hotel or gliding down the highway. Asterisk, when you first lay eyes on the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Limousine, the thing that stands out most is its presence. It doesn't shout, it exudes confidence and elegance. The exterior design takes everything we love about sleek Mercedes architecture and elevates it. Extended wheelbase proportions, refined chrome accents, majestic grille, signature LED lighting, and a silhouette that looks both bold and graceful at the same time. It's the kind of vehicle that makes onlookers turn their heads, not because it's flashy, because it emanates prestige, and that visual allure is one of the biggest reasons Maybach videos are skyrocketing in views on YouTube. Asterisk, slipping into the cabin of the Maybach limousine feels like entering a private estate. Interior walkthroughs are some of the most watched clips because the experience inside this vehicle is nothing short of breathtaking. Every surface, from the hand-stitched leather upholstery to the hand-finished wood trims and metal accents, is crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Soft, ambient lighting wraps the cabin in a calming glow. And the seats? Oh, the seats are nothing less than thrones. YouTube creators often pause just to show the seat adjustment menus alone, cause the level of customization for comfort, massage, heating, cooling, and even micro adjustments feels like it comes from luxury spas, not automobiles. Reviewers regularly comment that spending time in the Maybach feels like being cocooned in luxury, and that authentic reaction is exactly what makes these videos so powerful. Asterisk, tech is another huge reason the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Limousine is trending. The infotainment system features state-of-the-art screens with crisp graphics, intuitive menus, and a host of smart features that feel effortless to use. The rear seat passengers have access to their own control interfaces, allowing them to command climate, media, seat functions, and even cabin massage settings without disturbing the driver. Voice control, gesture recognition, and personalized profiles make interacting with the vehicle feel futuristic, yet natural. In trending tech breakdown videos, creators show how seamlessly you can adjust settings while cruising, from selecting ambient modes to adjusting seat comfort profiles, and viewers love seeing tech that actually enhances the luxury experience rather than distracts from it. Asterisk, the ride quality of the Maybach limousine is one of the most frequently mentioned highlights in trending review content. The adaptive air suspension reads the road in real time and adjusts damping to keep the cabin calm and composed over bumps, imperfections, and long highway stretches. Test drive videos often emphasize how the limousine glides over pavement, creating a sensation of floating that's almost surreal. Tesla might impress with acceleration, other SUVs might wow with capability. But when it comes to sheer serenity, nothing quite compares to the Maybach. Reviewers use words like buttery smooths, cloud-like, silent sanctuary to describe the experience. And because these descriptions come from experienced drivers and reviewers, they resonate strongly with audiences. Asterisk performance doesn't take a back seat either. The 2026 Maybach limousine is equipped with a powerful engine, often a refined V8 or V12, that delivers confident acceleration without sacrificing refinement. It moves with poise rather than aggression, but when you ask for speed, it responds with the quiet authority you'd expect from a vehicle of this caliber. Real-world performance clips showcasing merging, passing, long-distance cruising consistently get high engagement because viewers see how this vehicle effortlessly balances luxury with capability. Asterisks, safety, and driver assistance features are another reason Maybach videos pull in views. When creators demonstrate the advanced suite of driver assist tech lane, keep assist, adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, and more, viewers get a clear sense of how Mercedes blends luxury with real-world peace of mind. These features aren't just bullet points. They're shown in real traffic, key in real scenarios, making the content both informative and trustworthy. Asterisk. One of the most engaging elements in trending content is the rear seat experience. The